Hi parents. School is starting soon, and one thing I hear often from you is concern about what to do with technology. Everyone has phones, the schools put devices in their hands, all their homework is online, and you're wondering how to keep their hearts and minds safe through all of this. Well, on August 24th at 6 p.m., we'll have a parent workshop at our De Pere campus to help you prioritize what's important and get some practical skills for keeping your kids safe with tech. I'll be joined by the ladies from our Living Hope Counseling Service to give advice and answer questions. Another concern I hear is how to respond to transgender and other LGBT issues at school. What do you do as a parent, say when your son comes home and says, "Oh, that boy in my class last year is a girl this year." Your daughter comes home and says, "A girl in my class told me she has a crush on me." On August 31st at 6 p.m. at our De Pere campus, we'll be having a sort of open forum, a conversation between myself, Sarah Brame, and Jennifer Barrett from Living Hope Counseling Services. We'll welcome your questions and thoughts as we talk about how to respond with clarity and the love of Jesus to these tough issues our kids are facing. Again, mark your calendars for August 24th and 31st. We hope these workshops will be valuable to you as you lead your children into a new school year.